Hi, Sonic. Hi, Vinny. So, I'm gonna go take in the bathroom. I'm going in the bathroom. I can't do this. I'm going to the bathroom. I need to go poop. What are you doing, Sonic? What are you doing, boy? Boy, what are you doing? Keep your feet out of your water, boy. Look, he's taking crap. Let me check it. See you're wet. Up! Sonic! How dare you put the feet in the water? How dare you put the feet in the toilet water? That's it. You are grounded. I mean, not grounded. I'm gonna clean you. Ow. Oh, Vinny! What? Stop! Never. Okay, I'm done. Where's the toilet paper? It's right there, Sonic. Here's one, boy. Wipe your butt off of poop. And you're peeing. You're peeing on me, boy. Boy, what are you doing? I'm gonna wipe my butt. Hey, I'm gonna flush this. Sonic, what are you doing? Sonic, stop. Sonic, stop. Sonic, stop. I didn't do nothing. I don't care. You like it or not, Sonic. But you need to stop. Oh, I'm sorry, Vinny. Sorry's not gonna cut it, Sonic. What's in there? Vinny, what? Look. This box is empty. I know, Sonic. Go away, Ozzy. Bad boy. Yeah, tell him, Sonic. Tell Ozzy bad boy. Yeah. Oh, there's pepperoni. Oh, there's two pieces. I know, Sonic. I know. You don't tell me what to do. Vinny, what do you want, Sonic? Stop. I didn't do nothing. Yes, you did. Sonic, you'll go in my room. Close the door, boy. Bye.